Have you ever wondered why some couples conceive easily, but there are a good number of couples who do not conceive easily and they face a lot of problems over time? Every time in my OPD, I keep on meeting patients who ask me that we have been trying since long, but it's not happening, and the frustration is adding up day by day. So, I'll tell you a few simple reasons why all these things happen. It may be the age of the couple, which means that the fertility rates decline after a certain age. Most commonly, it's after 35 the fertility rates decline. Or it may be some lifestyle issues like obesity, bad food habits, smoking, alcohol, lack of exercises, and all those things. It may be some issues with the periods. It may be some issues with the egg releasing every month, or it may be some hormonal problems, or it may be due to blockage in the tubes, or it may be some problems with the semen report. So all these problems, maybe singly or maybe in combination, can give rise to fertility issues. So who will guide you about this? You have to know when you have to visit a doctor. If wife's age is less than 35 years and you have been trying since 1 year at a stretch, or if wife's age is more than 35 years and you have been trying since 6 months without any results, then it is high time that you have to meet a fertility consultant and get yourself tested, find out the reason why it's not happening. And then good news is that almost everything has a cure. So basically, struggle does not mean hopelessness. Everything has a solution, just you have to know the problem and correct it on time.